Are you looking for a healthy snack that's balanced with protein, carbs, and fats that is super high in fiber? Today we are making chocolate chia pudding, and this is an awesome recipe for you. If you follow a plant-based eating pattern, you could always swap out this protein powder, which we are using Ascent Whey today, with a plant-based protein powder. One of my favorite things about this recipe is that we can store it in these perfect little containers to make it an easy grab and go snack. All right, let's dive in and make this chocolate chia pudding. There we have it, chocolate chia seed pudding. Just a super easy recipe, great balanced snack. Now this recipe is going to be a high source of omega-3s. Remember, omega-3s help fight inflammation, so we want to make sure to incorporate those into our daily eating pattern. Make sure you try this recipe and give it a 5-star review.